The wedge-tailed eagle is the largest bird of prey in the continent of Australia. Wedge-tailed eagles are very large and quite lanky birds. They have a massive bill but possess a relatively small and rather flat head, with a long and vulturine neck. Furthermore, they are distinctive for their prominent carpals and baggy feathered trousers. Adults have long, broad wings, an unmistakable wedge-shaped tail, an elongated upper mandible, a strong beak, and powerful feet. This species tends to perch conspicuously on dead trees, telegraph poles, rocks, or at times the open ground. Between the bill size, elongated shape, and prominent shoulders, the species is highly distinctive. While perched, their long wings extend down to a long and markedly wedge-tipped tail. The female wedge-tailed eagle is one of the world's largest eagles. Its nearest rival in Australia for size is some 15% smaller lineally and 25% lighter in weight. As is typical in birds of prey, the female is larger than the male. It has a maximum reported wingspan of 2.84 meters, 9 feet 4 inches, and a length of up to 1.06 meters, 3 feet 6 inches. A full-grown female weighs between 3 and 5.8 kilos, while the smaller males weigh 2 to 4 kilos. The wedge-tailed eagle is one of the world's most powerful avian predators. Due to its formidable and dominating nature, it is sometimes nicknamed King of Birds along with golden eagles. Prey is usually grabbed during a gliding flight or a tail chase from low quartering. Although a true generalist, which hunts a wide range of prey, including birds, reptiles, and rarely other taxa, the species is by and large a mammal predator. The introduction of the European rabbit has been a boon to the wedge-tailed eagle, and they hunt these and other invasive species in large volume. Much more controversial at one point in time than hunting introduced rabbits and hares is the wedge-tailed eagle's occasional tendency to feed on and sometimes kill domesticated livestock animals. The predation of wedge-tailed eagles on young farm animals has been the primary and historic driver for the persecution of the species. Presumably, the primary native prey of the wedge-tailed eagles is marsupials, particularly macropods, which is also in accord with studies involving places where rabbits have declined and never occurred. Many wallabies, kangaroos, and associated animals are included in the diet. With over 50 marsupials known to be in the species prey spectrum. When selecting marsupials, wedge-tailed eagles tend to ignore smaller species and focus on larger sized ones. They've been recorded attacking eastern grey kangaroos weighing over 35 kilos. Wedge-tailed eagles are found throughout Australia, including Tasmania, as well as southern New Guinea in almost all habitats, though they tend to be more common in favourable habitat in southern and eastern Australia. Favoured habitat tends to be remote or rough country, at least partially wooded and not uncommonly varied, with some rocky spots as well as in shrublands. Wedge-tailed eagles seem to prefer more dead trees to be present. The bird is an emblem of the Northern Territory. The Parks and Wildlife Service of the Northern Territory use the wedge-tailed eagle superimposed over the map of the Northern Territory as their emblem.